Howdy folks, got another good one for you today. My name is Eric, this is North American Adventures, and thank you for joining me. For today's adventure, we are doing Sierra Vista and Calaveras Fault Trail. It's about 9.5 miles, 2,400 feet of elevation change. Starting up at the top here at the Sierra Vista Open Space Preserve. If you see behind me, there's a nice view of the bay. It's quite bright right now, but there's also a quite strong layer of fog, I would say. But anyway, we're gonna go down about 1,000 feet and then come back up, something similar. I'm expecting beautiful views today. It's beautiful clear sky and definitely beautiful weather for a hike. It's about 64, all sun. So it's gonna get hot, but it should be a good time. Just want to take a moment, remind everyone to tie their shoes. I'm gonna keep that clip in just for warning's sake. I took a big tumble there, cut up my legs a little bit, but totally fine. Life goes on. My shoelaces got snagged, as you saw. But we're continuing here. There's a little bit of exposure, actually, which is kind of cool. And we're sort of hugging the side of this cliff here, going eastbound. All right. Alrighty folks, we've probably gone about 2.5 miles or so. As you can see, we have the luxury of a paved road. Shocking, I know. But we're only on it for about half a mile, and then we'll be turning off and doing the rest of the out and back, which is Vista Point, which is about 2.5 miles. And that is basically just tacked on to the Sierra Vista loop before that, which creates the 9.3 miles or whatever it was. But anyway, we're gonna get back to it, and I'll probably stop at Vista Point. Alrighty folks, as you can see, I made it up to Vista Point. Had myself a little banana, some water, a little sit down. The view today is a little stunted. There's no wind, so all of that bad air or mist or fog or smog is accumulated down in the bay. I think this is southwest I'm facing, so this should be San Jose-ish, and then across to the west, just all cloud cover sorta. But here you can see lots of really nice houses. To the east, that's the way I came in, over here. But yeah, it's been a really gorgeous hike. Lots of rolling green hills, and I've gone about 4.2 miles, finished the out and back section. So we're gonna go back the way we came for about 2.5 miles, link back up with the loop trail, and then complete the longer side of the loop. So it's about 5 miles back now. I have probably about 2 hours of light left, so should be no problem. I'm loving this one. So I was just reflecting on the map, and it seems insane, but we came from way over here, just on the top of that mountain, basically is where we parked our car. So we went all the way down this way, and then further down, all the way up, and back here. So apparently it's only 5 miles. Alrighty folks, I have now gone 6.8 miles, so I got about just under 3 left, maybe an hour left of light. Just got back to the San Andreas Fault Trail, so we're on the longer part of the loop now. Just gotta make it back to the car. This has been an absolutely gorgeous trail, I gotta say. But I gotta grind it out here for a bit and get back with you. Howdy folks, got about 1.7 miles left. Sunset maybe 20-30 minutes out. Just caught a little snack there, as well as a sighting of some little group of deer. The lighting is absolutely stunning right now. I'm really loving it. Just finishing up my return trip here. Probably like half a mile left, maybe less, maybe more. But look at this gorgeous color that we're getting over the mountains from the sunset. Absolutely insane. Howdy folks, just got back to the car. It is just past 5, so that was probably like 4 hours, 15 minutes, something along those lines. Sunset probably 20 minutes ago. There's still a decent amount of light left over. Overall, the hike was incredible. One of my favorites so far, actually. The landscape, like you could see just for miles, lots of beautiful green rolling hills. And then there was like some tree cover sections as well. And it went down into sort of like a valley. And yeah, it was just a really beautiful view and a really beautiful hike. I'm so glad I did it. And if you live around here, you should definitely check it out. It's a Monday here, so not super busy, but it felt kind of like a hidden gem. But anyway, thank you for joining me. My name is Eric. This has been Norse American Adventures. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.